Imagine if every time I talk about my friend John, I keep saying John, 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 like a broken record. Wouldn't that sound funny and boring at the same time?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. That's why English gave us pronouns, to save us from sounding like parrots. Okay, let's try. John is my brother. John likes cricket. John plays football. John is funny. Oh no, too much John. He will get a headache.
Yes, sir. Too much John.
So I say, John is my brother. He likes cricket. He plays football. Much better, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's try with Mary. Mary is my sister. Mary sings songs. Mary loves dancing. Mary is kind. Mary, Mary, Mary. Looks like I am calling her on the mic. Mary, please come to the stage. Instead, I say, Mary is my sister. She sings songs. She loves dancing. She is kind. See? No extra echo of Mary's name. Now, let's take an object. This is my book. My book is red. My book is heavy. My book is new. My book is angry because I said its name too many times. So I say, this is my book. It is red. It is heavy. It is new. Now, what if I talk about all of us? Should I say John and Mary and I are friends? No, that's long. I can simply say, we are friends. And if I talk about John, Mary, and other people, I can say, they are playing football. So, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition. It saves our time, energy, and also saves our students from sleeping in class. Some common pronouns are he, she, it, we, they, I, you, me, mine, yours, who, everyone, nobody. Now, let's try them together. He is my brother. She is my sister. It is my book. We are friends. They are playing football. This book is mine. That bag is yours. Who is knocking at the door? Everyone is happy today. Nobody was in the room. Now, your turn. Give me one sentence with a pronoun.
She is my teacher.
Good. But remember, in this class, I am your teacher, not she. So, pronouns are small words with big jobs. They replace nouns, avoid repetition, and make our English smooth and fun. Next time, don't repeat names like parrots. Use pronouns. Okay, students? Thank you. Let's meet in our next grammar session.